painting stage has officially begun. This is now epoxy primer. This is quite rough. I only wanted to seal up the window sills or that. This was the main part. Also did the most rust prone parts and the hood also here around. This was starting to get quite rusty, and now I'm sanding it all back to do the filler primer. I already sanded the front fascia parts, these two fenders, that the door, and the hood. Still need to do these two doors and of course the body. I don't know if I'm gonna spray or just paintbrush the rear part, but I'm probably gonna just paintbrush it. And not much to film here, just sanding, and that's it. Halfway there. This is now just some filler primer action. And it actually looks quite good in white. Not bad for a garage job. And now wait for it to dry. Actually it is already dry, but I don't have time tomorrow to sand it down, so I will wait day and a half to sand it down. I'm gonna do it on Sunday. Today's Friday, like 12 o'clock at night. Still don't know what I'm gonna do about the chassis, but yeah, halfway there. Epoxy done, filler primer done. Now the gruesome part of sanding down every fucking thing again. Did get some runs though. This one's quite gnarly, but it's only these two fenders that will get sanded down. I don't worry about that. Painted this door inside and out because this one was white. These two are factory color inside. And yeah, halfway there. It's painted. It's all done except for the rear chassis part. But yes, I do have a little bit of runs. I think I counted 3 here and a little one somewhere here. I don't know where exactly, but yes, you can actually see some shine. But yeah, it's all painted. I left these parts here where the windows are getting glued in only epoxy primer, front, rear and front. So the glue has to stick to the epoxy primer only, but not to the paint itself, because that causes the separation of the windshield and the body with the glue. That is what I was told, and I did so if I fucked it up, I'm gonna fix it. But yes, I do have some imperfections, but I'm not worrying about that. It needs to look good from afar, not far from good. So yes, gonna left it overnight or a day or two to dry. Then assembly will start. Quite happy with the result. It's getting back together. Doors are on, front end is on. Doors are assembled. Waiting these to dry. Need to buy the seals for the side windows. Just a little double-sided tape that goes on there, and probably will install windows this weekend. Also installed this wind breakers, smoker windows, and this front deflector. Don't know where I got it from, some Russian site. If this helps you anything. Snorkel is installed. All the edges look okay. They are not perfect, but nothing will be. Need to get these two panels made for this rear door and that side, and get the interior in. Also, I need to fix or at least paint the upper window and get this taken care of. But yeah, and next thing is the rear chassis. Thanks.